Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video, man. Y'all tuned in to the BitFinance channel where we talk about crypto, we talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the coins that involve in the whole area. This is going to be another good video, man. We just going to do a quick little market update. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts. All right, so if we look right here at the weekly, we can see that Bitcoin is currently at $63,000. Which is pretty good. As you can see, we just finished last week's candle pretty bullish. This week is starting off kind of bearish as it's rejecting off the 64K area for resistance. We scroll down to the daily. We can see that, okay, over the weekend, we attempted to try to break over the 64K area, but we weren't successful. Right now, we are possibly about to attempt to break this level again. We might be creating some support here or grabbing some support here. Currently around 62K. This might be its next form of support. If it doesn't grab support there, then I can see the next level being like 61,000, maybe somewhere in here, deep in here. Now, if we come back down to the 60K range, I just honestly think at this point, that's an even better buying opportunity. I don't really want to see 60K again. But if we do, shoot, I'll be ready, because this is essentially what happened, right? We were in this downtrend. We came up, right? We didn't break this overall high that we set. Okay, cool. So that means we are still in the downtrend. So we come down, we come up right here. Now the next point is we're down right here, okay? Because we didn't break this low, we are setting higher lows, right? So the next low may come somewhere in here, as I mentioned, at where we're currently at, 62K, 61K, 60K. Anywhere in this area right now looks to be a great opportunity to buy Bitcoin if you haven't already. Shoot, this is not financial advice. I advise you to do your own research. I'm gonna keep on saying that because I mean it. Yeah, that's currently what I'm seeing. Nothing too crazy right now. This was Monday's daily close right here. Like I said, it finished kind of bearish, which means we are in a little retest mode for now. Which means, like I just said, a time to buy. Hopefully, if you find some good buying opportunities, that's good for you. I think that market is going to give us that opportunity. I'll say, I can't even put no time frame on it. I just know that's what it's giving us right now. If we look at Ichimoku cloud, we can see how thin it is on the daily. But I think the 4 hours where it shows the most support. Like, look at this. This cloud right here just opened up so much. Right here, starting from, I think, the day it broke out, which was Friday. So now we have all this green area as support, which I think is pretty bullish. The smaller the time frames, of course, you already know, it's not as strong as the higher time frames. But long story short, the cloud is giving us some nice support, right? If you scroll over to the EMA ribbon, I want to look at the 4 hour. It looks like we got some good support here so far. As I mentioned, anywhere in this area, I think is good support. So that's just what our indicators are showing me right now. In the meantime, you already know what it is. Bitcoin's loading up, essentially. If we scroll over to Ethereum, we can see that Ethereum topped out over here on the 4 hour and the daily. That high right there, it looks like 2.8K as it rejected. And I think right now it's testing support right here in this area, which is around 2.6K. Which looks like support here. If I even just scroll down, it looks like, look at that. Support here, support here, support here. I've been doing this for a while now, so I just know that 9 times out of 10, when you find key areas, just in one part of the chart, they tend to have had history there. So here and here, it's just like you just see it. So now just by looking at that, I know I can mark a line if I really, really wanted to, probably around right here, right? I'll click this. If I really, really wanted to, I'll mark a line probably somewhere right here, which just indicates that, all right, this area right here is a strong area of support and resistance. And as you can see here, boom, All this under it, resistance. You see, we broke through it, and now we're really testing for support. So that might be a good buying opportunity as well. It just really depends on, your stance in the market, how you feel, right? I think I personally think that's bullish. I think we're in the middle of the range, but that could be kind of greedy, could be kind of aggressive if you were looking for a trade right now. I don't think the setup's there yet. I think it is definitely loading up though. I think it's definitely loading up. If you were like super aggressive, I would say you could probably do one of these, like a long position from here, quite literally to here. But I wouldn't even set it there. I'll probably set it at the last low on the 4 hour, which was here, somewhere here. So you have a good solid risk to reward ratio. Shoot, I don't think this is bad. I don't think this is bad at all. This is gonna the reason why it's so low like this is gonna give you more room to breathe, right? Because if you set, let me just show you. If you set the landmark right here, the support resistance right here, which it is, we're technically below it. But if we can start forming some confirmation candles above this area right here, I don't know. I think that might be kind of good for Ethereum. But of course, I want to see a little bit more time and let this area develop a little bit. So it's not a surefire yet, right? It could ultimately just retest this area, break back down, and then grab some support. We just don't know. We don't know yet, right? And a better trade, in my opinion, would really be a break of this 28K area, grab some support on the way back down, and then continue up. I think that would be a wiser trade, more conservative trade, a better trade overall, right? Because then we've clearly broken above this long-term resistance here at 28K, as you can see. If we get a close above, then a breakdown and a retest, oh man, that could be super bullish. Right now, it's just like, you could shoot the gun right now, but it's just risk tolerance. So, Command Z, my fault. Boom. That's what I'm seeing there. I'm pretty sure we finished kind of bearish just because Bitcoin was kind of bearish. And if we scroll over to the daily, looks like that's what we did. Looks like we're kind of topping out for now at near all-time highs. So we might have a form of correction. We might come back down to this 5.5K area. I'm not really sure, but I just know that we're doing pretty good. If I scroll over to the Dixie, bro, we grabbed some support directly off this area that I drew. Like, I didn't even write this. I didn't even draw this today. Y'all saw this in my last video. We grabbed some support here. So the next thing is, okay, will we continue to bounce off this level? Will we reject off this level somewhere in here? I would probably draw this line just like this. Like, it's clean. It's clean on the Dixie. You just look at it like, boom, support right here, broke support. This is support. This is consolidation on a key area. This broke it, tried it, reclaimed, broke below, and came back. Deviation right here. This is messing around the range. This is support. This is support. This is all resistance right here. This is support. This is resistance right here. It's just trading one-on-one, guys. Trading one-on-one. So we're at a support level right now, which means that, okay, 9 times out of 10, we're supposed to bounce. Now, how high we bounce, not sure. And honestly, I'm just waiting. It's just waiting just to see, like, okay, this is what the market's doing. Right now, we don't know. So we're not trading. We just watch it. And yeah, if I scroll over to Solana, did I have anything marked off? Still sideways range. Let me do this. Let me see what I can mark off for y'all just to help y'all out. Weekly. Is this a good area? Kinda. Alright, it actually looks solid, so I'm gonna just mark this off the 154 range. Let me see if I scroll. Boom. Yeah, it looks clean. It looks clean. I like it. I like it. Why? Resistance here. Broke through. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Tried as support. Ultimately failed. Tried. Tested as resistance. Broke back above support. Failed. Broke back above. Could not hold. Failed. Try to get back above. We're closing above this area now. So my guess is if I cut on this indicator, especially on the 4-hour, this cloud right here is going to be green. Watch. I'd even look at it. I might be wrong, but I got a strong feeling. Look at this. It's opening up. Why? Because we're at a key area. We're grabbing some support with some daily candle closes. And it looks like we can potentially go bullish. Now, the only concerning thing is we've had a couple shots at it already, and we just really haven't fulfilled. The good news is, though, we have created higher lows, right? Higher low, higher low. We might establish another high low here before coming up to this area, hopefully breaking through. And as I always mention, a break and retest. I think that's the best form of trading to me. Boom, we break above this key area right here at 172. Grab some support. We could be seeing our, I guess, all-time high of the year, which is around 209. So I'm going to leave that up there for next time. I'm going to keep that line right there. I'm going to also draw this line right here just so we can be groovy. You smell like that, 107. So these are the key areas that I see, right? Looks good, looks good, looks good. Looks good. Let me see. I'm gonna look at. Yeah, that's really all I got for today. I just wanted to do a quick video with y'all, quick little market update, let y'all know where I'm at, where my mind is. Hey, I'm gonna keep on doing it, keep on doing it, keep on doing it. Hey, also check out the merch, man. Big Funyuns, Big Funyuns. I don't know if I should drop yet. Right now, like I told you, I got a little personal collection, so I'm gonna keep on doing that. But regardless of the fact, y'all keep getting to the money, man. Hey, you ain't got no money, can't have no fun, I'm gone.